Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix Remini. Please check your internet connection. So in order to do this, first of all navigate to your Play Store. After navigating to the Play Store, search for Remini. Now click on Remini and make sure there's no update button available here. If it says update, just click on the update button, get the latest version of Remini, and this may solve your problem. If the problem is still persisting, you'll have to navigate to the Remini application, hold it down, click on this small eye icon at the top of the application. Now scroll down, select storage. Now click on clear cache. You can also click on clear data, and all the data from Remini will be deleted after this. Make sure you know this. So after doing this, go back, open Remini and see if the problem is solved. If the problem is still persisting, simply navigate to the Play Store, click on the uninstall button, click on uninstall again, and you will see install button here. Now click on install, and after reinstalling Remini, your internet connection will be restored. Also, you'll have to make sure that you are connected to a valid Wi-Fi network. That is, you're having a good internet connection or your mobile data or Wi-Fi is on. So double check it, and if you're not connected to internet, get a new connection and that could solve your problem. So that's how you can fix Remini. Please check your internet connection. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.